By 2030, a seismic shift will have occurred in the global workplace. Projections from leading economic analysts indicate that up to 30% of the hours we currently work could be automated by artificial intelligence. This is not a distant, abstract future confined to science fiction. It is a tangible transformation happening right now, gathering speed and scale as we approach the next decade. The very fabric of our professional lives is being rewoven, thread by digital thread. But this shift does not mean a mass replacement of humans by machines. That narrative is overly simplistic. Instead, it signals the beginning of a new, intricate partnership. A symbiosis that will redefine what it means to be productive, what skills are truly valuable, and how we spend our time from 9 to 5. The conversation about AI often swings between extremes: a utopian vision of work without drudgery, or a dystopian fear of mass unemployment. The reality is more nuanced and far more interesting. A story of augmentation, not just automation. AI will become a tool, a coworker, an assistant, deeply integrated into our daily workflows. It will challenge us to adapt, but also empower us to achieve more than we ever could alone. First, AI will become the ultimate helper for routine work. It will master tasks that are predictable, rules-based, and high volume, the necessary but tedious activities that consume our cognitive bandwidth and lead to burnout. Think of sorting hundreds of emails, manually entering invoice data, or coordinating complex schedules across multiple time zones. By 2030, AI will shoulder this load, reducing administrative errors by over 80% in some functions and freeing up countless hours of human potential. This frees people to focus on uniquely human tasks. Imagine a customer service representative. Instead of spending hours filling out forms and searching for information, an AI assistant listens to the call, transcribes it in real time, summarizes the key points, and updates the customer file automatically. The human agent is then free to focus entirely on empathy, creative problem solving, and building a stronger, more trusting customer relationship. This is where human value shines, turning a transactional interaction into a memorable experience. Beyond routine tasks, AI evolves into an essential partner for complex decision-making. The world generates an overwhelming amount of data every second, far more than any human team, no matter how skilled, can parse effectively. This is where AI excels. By 2030, fields like medicine, finance, marketing, and logistics will rely on AI advisory tools to make faster, better-informed decisions. An AI might analyze millions of patient records to suggest a potential diagnosis, or model climate change data to predict supply chain vulnerabilities months in advance. But the AI will not make the final choice. It will illuminate the path to a better one, presenting probabilities and outlining potential consequences. This synergy is called human in the loop. The AI analyzes the data, the human provides context, ethical oversight, and common sense reasoning. The machine provides the what, the human provides the why and the what if. Third, AI will act as a powerful catalyst for creativity. Generative tools that produce text, images, music, and code are not here to replace the creator, but to act as an inexhaustible brainstorming partner. They help unblock creative ruts, explore novel possibilities, and accelerate workflows from days to hours. A designer can generate a mood board in minutes. A writer can brainstorm 50 headlines in seconds. Professionals will shift from pure generation to the more strategic roles of curation, refinement, and tastemaking, where their unique perspective is the ultimate differentiator. This new landscape demands a new set of skills. By 2030, technical literacy will be table stakes. The most valuable professionals will cultivate uniquely human capabilities, amplified by AI. These include prompt design, the art of asking the right questions to get the best results from AI. Data literacy, the ability to interpret, question and apply AI-driven insights with a critical eye. And systems thinking, the skill of designing and orchestrating complex workflows that blend human and machine labor seamlessly. This will give rise to entirely new roles. We'll see AI product owners who guide the development of internal tools, model auditors who check for bias and fairness, and human feedback specialists who train and refine AI systems. The AI whisperer, someone skilled in communicating with AI, will become a legitimate and highly sought-after job title. But we must be clear-eyed about the risks. This transition is not without its challenges. Job displacement for roles heavy in routine tasks is a real concern that requires proactive social and economic policies, including robust retraining and reskilling programs. Algorithmic bias, where AI models perpetuate historical inequities, must be rigorously audited. The risk of AI hallucinations, producing confident but incorrect information, demands constant human verification. And concerns around workplace privacy and over-monitoring require strong governance, transparent policies, and a commitment to privacy by design to maintain trust. The impact will be global. For small and medium-sized enterprises, AI can level the playing field, providing access to analytics and automation previously reserved for large corporations. In education, personalized AI tutors can adapt to each student's learning pace. In the public sector, AI can optimize services and reduce bureaucratic friction. Consider a healthcare system using an AI triage assistant. It analyzes patient symptoms from an online portal, prioritizing urgent cases and reducing emergency room wait times by 30%, allowing doctors to see the most critical patients faster. Or a retail company using AI to forecast demand, improving inventory accuracy and cutting waste significantly, which benefits both the bottom line and the environment. So, how can organizations prepare? It begins with a simple playbook. First, assess which tasks are ripe for augmentation, the repetitive, the data-heavy. Second, pilot small-scale AI solutions to demonstrate value and learn. Third, measure the impact, not just on efficiency, but on employee satisfaction and customer outcomes. Finally, scale responsibly with a robust change management and upskilling roadmap for your people. And for individuals, the path forward is just as clear. First, commit to continuous learning. Stay curious and actively seek to understand how these new tools work. Second, double down on your human skills, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and collaboration. Third, get hands-on. Experiment with publicly available AI tools to build intuition and discover their potential. And fourth, cultivate your network. Connect with others who are navigating this transition to share insights and opportunities. The future of work in 2030 is not one of humans versus machines. It is a future of human creativity, empathy, and judgment, amplified by the immense scale and speed of artificial intelligence. The challenge ahead is not to stop this change, but to guide it with wisdom, responsibility, and a deep-seated focus on human values. The goal is not just to automate work, but to elevate humanity. This is our opportunity to design a future where technology serves us all.